Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. This is a part 2 of my maintenance video about my Mahindra eMax 20s HST tractor. It's gonna be very short, I promise. One thing I completely forgot to mention to you is please do check the density of your coolant because over the years it may be weakening and not weakening, losing its strength. So it's very important, check the density, not from the compartment there, the catch tank, the overflow tank, but directly from the radiator. Okay, so it's very important to check that. And I will have an incoming video very soon. I have to order the part tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Thursday. I'm gonna talk about the just hold on, I'm just gonna put that, changing the fuel filter. In relation with the fuel filter, I have to order it. Usually they call for you clean it every 100 hours, but now I am about more than 400 hours on it, so I will change it and I will show it to you everything, because it doesn't the maintenance book, the operator manual book doesn't tell nothing about it. They talk about the first primary fuel filter on my maintenance video, but it doesn't talk about the second one. And on the top of that, I'm gonna have a question for you. Pay attention. I'm gonna try to put it very, very close. This is the fuel pump in here. I hope you're able. What do you think that little lever does? All right, there's a little lever there. This is a mechanical pump. All right. So I'll let you guess what it is. All right. I can go more in detail, but let's say there's a return line, there's an incoming line. So I'll let you guess what that little lever does. Okay, that will be it for my Wednesday video. I'm just thinking, yeah. So please do take care of yourself. I'm gonna show you something outside, because we've been receiving snow, not big amount, not even 1/4 inch per day, but I'm gonna show you the dogs. All right, cheers. All right, so as you're seeing it, there's a little bit of snow, and you can see Scotty and Ruby. So yeah, we're definitely there. Tonight they're calling for maybe 2 inches of snow, so and it's a little bit windy. It's only -4 degrees Celsius tonight, going to be at -7. All right, so please take care of yourself. Cheers. Hey there.